Hello Mersey beet lovers, and welcome to our vlog. Today's video is all about filling the hungry gap. Now the hungry gap is a period between the middle of April and the beginning of June, when producers in the UK find it difficult to produce food, basically. And it's a difficult time for gardeners and growers, and anybody who's growing vegetables, to have anything ready during this period, you know. And it's become known as the hungry gap. And today we're going to show you how to fill the hungry gap. But more importantly than that, it's the 24th of March, which is Catherine's birthday. So I've decided to come down to the plot and make a special birthday sandwich for Catherine, and with some very special ingredients, and I'm going to show you that now. So here I am in the greenhouse, and as you know, we've got plenty of things growing in the greenhouse, and if you want to fill the hungry gap, this is the place to begin. Basically, to grow stuff under cover or protected from the elements. The main thing about a greenhouse is not it's warmer. I mean, it is warmer, so that promotes growth. But more importantly than that, it protects young plants from wind and weathering, which help in the growing cycle. So you can produce crops earlier than you would do outside. So I suppose the essence of that is to have some kind of protection, whether it be a cold frame, whether it be a windowsill, or whether it be a greenhouse. It doesn't matter. But I'm going to pick some. I'm going to make Catherine a special birthday ham and cheese sandwich right here on the plot. And so I've set up a table outside. I'll show you that now. And I'm going to pick some of the things that we've got growing here in the greenhouse. So I've told you about these planters that I made out of milk cartons about a month ago, actually, and started growing salad greens in here. Now we've been picking these salad greens and making various things with them. We had a lovely salad last night and stuff, and but there's still plenty. So I thought do you know what? I'll bring down as a special birthday surprise. I'll bring a table down, and we can have a little meal on the plot. So I'm going to pick some of these, and these are going to be one of the main ingredients to our ham and cheese sandwich. Okay, do you think that's enough for a couple of sandwiches? I think so. What I'll do is I'll put a note up on screen now to just show you exactly what is here and what we've been growing in these little containers, and you can see hopefully we'll be cropping from this throughout April and the hungry gap, so it should keep us supplied in food. Is that great? Okay, let's make some sandwiches. Okay, here's the camping table. Oops, what's the camera? Here's the camping table, and here's our vegetables, and we've got some lovely cheese and some Parma ham. Parma ham, good quality ham, and some lovely crusty bread. So I'm going to make some sandwiches now, and I'm going to let Catherine tuck in a lovely birthday meal on the plot. And as you know, there's no foreign holidays booked this year for anybody, I don't think. We're still in lockdown, and what better way to spend a birthday celebration on the plot doing what you love. Isn't that right? Catherine's watching me now with great curiosity to see what I'm up to, but she'll soon find out. All right then, see you in a minute. So, Parma ham, matured for 14 months old. Good. And I'll put up all the ingredients if you want to try to replicate these sandwiches. Whoops, bit of wind. If you want to replicate these sandwiches, you can have a go. I hope they turn out nice. They'll certainly look nice. Ham and cheese sandwiches on the plot. It's as good as it gets. And a lovely day in March. They put the clocks forward this weekend, so we get an extra hour of light, which we're all looking forward to, aren't we? You know, more daylight, more time to grow. How's your allotment coming on? How's your growing season developing? You were doing good? You growing anything unusual this year? We're going to do a vlog actually on some of the things that we're growing that we haven't grown before. So I'm going to do a vlog later this week. Hopefully get it out by the weekend. Ah, that looks nice, doesn't it? So, magic ingredient. Homegrown salad leaves. These are all clean, fresh as you could possibly get it. Right? I've used some sweet pickle as well, because you can't have a ham and cheese sandwich without some pickle. Magic ingredient. Look at that. That look gorgeous? Yes, it does. And we've got a few greens left over, so I'll put them on the side. This is when you really appreciate having an allotment and growing your own. If anybody wanted to know, I'll put a bit of cheese on. If anybody wants to know why we do it, why we grow stuff, well, moments like these. Moments like these just make it all worthwhile. All the hard work. Because of course an allotment isn't just about growing stuff. It's about food for the soul as well. You know, the spirit and the soul. There's so much joy in growing stuff, isn't there? We all know this. It's a secret that gardeners and allotmenteers have known for generations. That's why we still do it. There's such joy in making this. You just can't buy this. Oh. That's it. And tops. Press them down. Press them down. Press them down. And press them down. So now I think I'll shout Catherine over and see how she feels about them. A lovely birthday sandwich. Well, Catherine, you've been stalking around, watching what I've been doing.
At a
So
distance.
now's the moment. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy birthday, Catherine. It's a lovely day to have a birthday, isn't it?
you. The best day to have it here.
Yeah,
It's lovely.
it's the best thing.
But I'm loving this.
Yep. There you go.
This is gorgeous.
Made with love.
Isn't that brilliant? Look at these. Wow.
A cheese and ham sandwich.
That's gorgeous with all our salad stuff.
All our salad leaves. And so now's the time
To taste them.
to taste them. Tell me what you think.
Let's have a look. Bloody hell. It's lovely, isn't it? Mmm. Sean Cameron would say, beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
They're gorgeous, Philip.
Are they nice?
Thank you very much.
That's great.
Lovely. Look at that.
Brilliant.
Oh.
Well, that was a success, wasn't it?
Mmm.
Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. We hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Catherine's going to carry on eating,
All day.
and I'm gonna enjoy a sandwich as well before we start some work. Because I haven't done any work since I've come here. I've just been setting this up, but it's been great fun to do. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to Mersey Beat Gardening. Follow us on Instagram. Catherine's doing a fantastic job of our Instagram account. She looks after it, and she puts all the photos up and stuff. So do follow us, and I think you'll find more interesting stuff up there, and we'll be posting more vlogs in the future. There's no doubt about that. And
lovely. They're amazing. Best sandwich I've ever had.
fill your boots.
And me wellies.
Yeah, it conquers the hunger gap, Kath.
Mmm. Oh, I won't go hungry with you.
I'm sure you
Thank you
won't.
very much.
Okay then. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
518, level 3,